When you're getting ready to paint your car, no aspect should be overlooked. From the bodywork, primer, color, and clear, you want everything to be perfect. And part of that perfect recipe is picking the right reducer. Let's show you how. Available in 4 variations, slow, medium, fast, and 0 VOC, Eastwood's reducers are designed to give you the flexibility and control you need to tackle any project, no matter the environment or paint conditions. These reducers work well with epoxy primer, urethane primer, urethane clear coat, Eastwood single-stage paints and low VOC base coats, Candees, ceramic engine paints, ceramic Underhood Black, and ceramic chassis black. Let's start with the slow urethane paint reducer. This is going to be ideal for hot temperatures or when you need more working time. The slow reducer allows for smoother application and better flow. It's perfect for large projects like full dips, ensuring you have the time to work all the way around the car without it drying. This will lead to a mirror-like gloss and minimal imperfections. Next, we have the medium urethane paint reducer. This is your go-to choice for moderate temperatures. It strikes that perfect balance between flow and drying time, providing a smooth, even finish that resists sagging and runs. So if you're just spraying 2 or 3 panels, this is going to be the one to grab. Need to work in cooler temperatures or only doing a single panel? The fast urethane paint reducer is your answer. It's designed for rapid evaporation, speeding up drying time and helping you get the job done efficiently. If we're spraying a bumper or fender, this is our go-to. And with its quick dry time, it helps to avoid dust or debris from settling into your paint job. Concerned about environmental impact? Our 0 VOC urethane paint reducer is formulated to be compliant with VOC regulations, making it perfect for use in areas with strict environmental standards. It offers the same excellent application and finish as our medium reducer, but with a significantly lower environmental footprint. It's ideal for both the DIY enthusiast and professionals who need to meet strict regulations. All of these reducers are available in both quarts and gallons, so whether you're working on a small project or need a large supply for commercial work, you'll have the right size for the job. Eastwood has been in the automotive paint business for over 45 years, and all of that experience has been used to make sure you get the right product for your project and get the flawless finish you're looking for. To check out the full line of reducers, just head over to eastwood.com.